My name is Michael Helander. I'm CEO of Airspace Link, and we build drone highways by providing digital infrastructure for every drone operation. You know, every couple of decades, there's some type of inflection point in the infrastructure industry, going back to Vanderbilt and the railroads, Edison and the electrical grid, Eisenhower and the highways, and now Airspace Link is building this drone digital infrastructure. Well, myself and co-founders, we have been building geospatial solutions for a couple decades now. And we've been watching the drone industry for about 6 years, right? And in trying to understand how we could safely integrate drones into the national airspace and into our communities. We decided to start Airspace Link, and we built a public-private partnership with the FAA to help support the integration of drones at 400 feet and below, 55-pound drones or less. We have a massive opportunity in front of us. Regulations are catching up. Technology is getting improved. Companies and state and local governments are investing. Airspace Link is perfectly positioned as we're a land supplier and one of the only drone digital infrastructures on the market today. We're looking forward to integrating drones into the national airspace and into your community.